Budget day trade went. Almost 6 trades I did today, and ended up with a loss of 6,000 rupees. 6 trades. This is how it went. Like, very action-packed day, at least for the trading way. But too bad I didn't end up with anything. But ending up with a minor, just a small loss, is still better than ending with a big loss, because the markets were very volatile, going up by so many points and immediately dropping down by so many points. The charts were like crazy. Anyway, the only trade that went right is the Nifty expiry trade. Made 55,000 with less number of lots. I did very less because the hedges were so expensive, so couldn't afford to take more positions, because I would have lost money on the hedges. So this was the only trade that went well. Then remaining, as you know, I'm holding a lot of Nifty overnight position derivative, almost 12 lots now, 11 lots now. So I was very bullish biased. So all my lots are pretty much in put to leave, you can see. And then finally I decided to I tried in Bank Nifty also, put, that also didn't work. Then I sold Bank, that itself I did like 3 times, all got the sell hit, or I exited at the entry price. And then sold 2 straddles. One straddle SL got hit, the other straddle was in a small loss. And yeah, today. And then another thing I noticed is, compared to the previous budget, this budget with the premiums were decaying very slowly, very slowly. So the previous budget last year, you could see the money melt in front of you, the premiums melt in front of you. But today, this time, it didn't happen as much. In fact, the premiums were increasing in some scenarios. But eventually, at the end of the day, it did reduce. It didn't reduce as much as I expected it to. As you can see, Bank Nifty ATM is still 400 rupees. I don't understand why it is so expensive. Right, I was expecting it to come down, but anyway, it has come down. In the beginning, before, I think last night it was around 1,200 something ATM both put together. Now it has come down to almost 900, which is not much. Look at the premiums, like for let's say my usual edges are like 2,000, 3,000 points away. 46, look at it. 48 is at 42 rupees. I have never seen such premiums. Anyway, or maybe I could be wrong. I don't know, but I believe these are very high, super high premiums. VIX is 14. I usually trade the bank expiry days, because last year anyone who had sold straddles made a ton of money. This time I don't think so. It is the same, unless you had a very big stop loss. These are the top gainers. Hutco crossed 50. Hutco is the 63rd stock to cross 50%. Right. These are the top gainers. And these are the top losers. I don't know for what joy this has fallen 15%. I didn't have the time to check the news and all. Alright, so let's see. I'll just check on it, and need to check on it why it has come down. And yeah, so do subscribe if you enjoy this trading vlog and want to be updated whenever we take